Welcome. I'm Kelly van Egmond, a PhD student from the Center for Alcohol Policy and Research, and today I'll present you the results of my research testing wearable alcohol monitors in parallel. So now you might think, what are wearable alcohol monitors? Well, about 1% of the alcohol that we consume is secreted through our skin, and we can measure this using wearable alcohol monitors, also called transdermal alcohol monitors. One example of these monitors is the SCRAM-CAM ankle bracelet. Transdermal alcohol monitors can provide an objective way of monitoring alcohol, addressing the limitations of self-report, such as the memory bias, because we all know how we can miss a few details after we've been drinking. However, there are still a few things that we need to do before we can fully trust these devices. One of these things is studying the test-retesting reliability, which means that when you would wear the SCRAM-CAM monitor either on your right or left ankle, that the data from these monitors are highly correlated. So we've recruited 23 participants to come into the lab and had them wear two SCRAM-CAM monitors, one on the left and one on the right ankle. At the start of each session, they drank 4 standard drinks in total and stayed in until their blood alcohol level reached 0. From visual inspection of the curves, where in these two examples the dotted line represents the left dataset and the other line the right dataset, we can see that the general pattern is somewhat similar. However, differences between the curves are visible, especially between readings at a certain time. In line with these visual observations, correlation measures show that the datasets are highly related, with a correlation of 0.7. We further found that the strength of this relationship is not significantly affected by individual characteristics, including sex, age, and BMI. So from these results, we can conclude that the data from the SCRAM-CAM monitors can be reliable. However, a high correlation is just a measure of correspondence and does not provide us information on the difference between readings from the two monitors at a certain time. Testing the difference score is what we aim to do next to further validate these monitors. So there's much more to come in terms of validation, but the wearable alcohol devices are promising and hopefully the future of a more valid and objective measurement of alcohol consumption. Thank you.